This is the brief on the biological foundation of cell transport. You know, the fundamental biological baseline for how cells survive relies entirely on how they move materials in and out of their borders, a process governed entirely by gradients in energy. First, we have passive transport, the path of least resistance. It's kind of like coasting downhill on a bicycle. Why would a cell burn precious energy when it can just let natural equilibrium do the work? This takes zero energy, meaning no ATP, because substances spontaneously move down their gradient from high to low. This includes simple diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide, facilitated diffusion using protein channels, and osmosis, where water flows through aquaporins. Second, what happens when a cell absolutely must push against that natural flow? Well, think of bailing water from a sinking boat. Pushing things exactly where they don't want to go takes serious, constant work. Active transport requires ATP to force molecules from a low to high concentration. The sodium-potassium pump is a prime example, using ATP to pump 3 sodium ions out while pumping 2 potassium ions in. Finally, pumps are fine for tiny ions, but how does the cell handle massive, bulk shipments? Vesicle transport is basically the cell's heavy-duty shipping and receiving department. This active, ATP-requiring process uses endocytosis to bring materials in by having the membrane pinch into a vesicle, and exocytosis to release materials out when a vesicle fuses with the cell membrane. Instead of pushing single molecules through a door, the cell is literally swallowing or spitting out whole cargo containers. Whether a cell is coasting on natural passive gradients or burning ATP to haul bulky cargo, mastering this biological transport system is the ultimate key to a cell's survival.